The art of UX or UI design. The art of UX or UI design involves creating an intuitive and visually appealing digital experience that engages users and keeps them coming back for more. What is UX or UI design? UX or UI design is the process of creating digital interfaces that are user-friendly, easy to navigate, and visually appealing. UX design focuses on the overall experience of the user, including factors such as information architecture, content strategy, and usability. UI design, on the other hand, deals with the look and feel of the interface, including elements such as color schemes, typography, and interactive elements. Why is UX or UI design important? Good UX or UI design is essential for creating a positive user experience and driving engagement. A well-designed interface can help users easily navigate a website or application, find the information they need, and complete tasks efficiently. Key principles of UX or UI design. User-centered design. The key to good UX or UI design is putting the user at the center of the design process. Consistency. Consistency is important in UX or UI design as it helps users navigate the interface more easily. Simplicity. Keep the design simple and intuitive to prevent users from feeling overwhelmed or confused. Best practices in UX or UI design. Mobile optimization. With the majority of internet users browsing on mobile devices, it's crucial to optimize your design for mobile responsiveness. Make sure your interface adapts to different screen sizes and resolutions for a seamless user experience. Visual hierarchy. Use visual hierarchy to guide users' attention and prioritize important elements on the page. Use techniques such as size, color, and positioning to highlight key information and call to action buttons. Trends in UX or UI design. Dark mode. Dark mode has become a popular trend in UX or UI design, offering a sleek and modern look while reducing eye strain in low-light environments. Micro-interactions. Micro-interactions add subtle animations and feedback to enhance the user experience and make interactions more engaging and interactive. Voice user interfaces, VUI. With the rise of voice assistants like Siri and Alexa, VUI design has become an emerging trend in UX or UI design, offering hands-free interaction for users. Augmented reality, AR. Our technology is transforming the way we interact with digital interfaces, creating immersive experiences that blend the physical and digital worlds. Conclusion. The art of UX or UI design is a dynamic and ever-evolving field that requires a deep understanding of user behavior, design principles, and technology trends. Whether you're designing a website, mobile app, or wearable device, UX or UI design is essential for creating a memorable and enjoyable user experience in today's digital landscape.